Hey guys, if you are looking for how you can run C and C++ programs in your favorite Visual Studio Code, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end, because I am about to show you step-by-step process to configure Visual Studio Code for running C and C++ programs correctly. And I am also gonna show you how you can run sample C++ program in Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 machine. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to download and install the C++ compiler. The best suited for our job is Mingulu. To download it, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. Now open your favorite web browser. I am using Google Chrome here, and then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is the third-party page for downloading Mingulu for Windows operating system. The best part about this site is that it contains self-extracting archive for Mingulu, which is really super easy to install. Now click on this Mingulu download link, and now you can see our X file is started downloading here. It's around 45 megabit file. It will take some time to download, all depend on your internet connection speed. Our Mingulu installer X file is downloaded successfully. Now click on show in folder and simply right click on this file and select open here. Cancel all of this except C:/ and click on extract button, and it will start the extraction and installation process. It will take some time to complete. Now we need to add path in environment variable so that we can access G++ and GCC in Visual Studio Code. For that, double click on this PC and open local disk C. Here open newly installed Ming directory. Then open bin folder and click on address bar and finally copy this path. Now again go back to this PC and right click on this free space and select properties. Here click on environment variables button, select path and then click on edit button and then click on new and paste Mingulu path in the blank field. Then click on OK button, OK again and OK again. Now let's check is this working or not. Now click on window button, then type cmd and then click on command prompt. Here type G++ space -- version and press enter. If you see something like this, then congratulations, you have successfully installed Mingulu compiler on your Windows 10 machine correctly. Now I will show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. You can skip this part if you already installed Visual Studio Code and directly jump to C++ configuration part. So now open your browser and type vscode install into the address bar and hit enter. This is the official page for downloading Visual Studio Code. To download it, click on this blue download for Windows button. And now you can see our vscode user setup X file started downloading. Our vscode installer setup file is downloaded successfully. Now click on this show in folder. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file and it will start the setup wizard. Here accept the license agreement and click on next button. Just leave it as default for the destination folder and click on next button and finally click on install button. It will take some time to install. And finally click on finish button. You have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. After open Visual Studio Code, press this button in the search bar, type code runner and choose this first option. Now press on this small install button. To run the code, you can press Ctrl+, Alt+ on. And to stop the code from running, you can press Ctrl+, Alt+M. Now in search bar, type C/C++ and select the first option. And again press on this small install button. It will install C++ debugging and code browsing support. Now let's write some basic C++ program in the Visual Studio Code for testing. Now click on the new file button and click on file and select save as. Choose a preferred directory. Give a name to a file. I am writing subscribe.cpp. Don't forget to add .cpp at the end of the file for C++ program, otherwise it won't work. and then click on Save. Let me quickly type a basic C++ program that prints Welcome to Coding Knowledge channel. Now click on Run button. So this is how you can run C++ program in Visual Studio Code.